Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to view members only content on Buy Me a Coffee. So if you've heard there's a way to unlock members only content without joining, then here's the reality. Members only posts, videos, downloads, and updates can only be viewed if you have the required membership or have purchased the content. So you need to simply sign into your Buy Me a Coffee account and open the creators page, and if you're subscribed to the correct membership tier, then your members only content will appear automatically. Some creators also publish free public posts, so you can still browse without becoming a member. And you need to avoid third-party tools that promise free access, as they are often scams. So that was how to view members only content on Buy Me a Coffee. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.